going on, Caps? This is MIKEY Productions, and from what I hear this weekend, this past weekend actually, but well, this already happened, and we had a big blizzard, and it was I was in Philly that time, and with my dad, and I was at his house, and we actually took a drive around the whole city and looked at all the snow, and I actually went sledding too for a little bit, and I am going to show you this whole clip, but it already happened, so. I did an intro just now, just because, you know, I had to, do one right now, because I couldn't do one at Dad's, because I didn't think, I would be vlogging this weekend, but since we had a bad storm, I mean, why not share you guys along how this blizzard actually went, because this will be a memory forever, and, this will be the blizzard of 2022, and, what I want to show you right now, what the snow looks like. This is what it looks like right now, guys, and there's my pool right here, our pool, and the whole backyard's filled with snow, and the whole hills are filled with snow right up here. So, yeah, I think this might not be the time we might forget that we'll have a blizzard. Just like if I remember correctly, that I think I did a video one time like years ago. I mean, like years and years ago. Like 2016, I think, when we had a blizzard, and I was recording my GoPro. I walked around the whole neighborhood. Yeah, I would have done that for you guys again, but instead I decided I wanted to do it in Philly. But maybe if down the line, if it snows, if we had a blizzard like this again this year, I mean, I'll probably be able to share it with you around the neighborhood. But for right now, let's just focus on the Philadelphia one, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more. Hey, Caps. Well, it's really snowing out here. It's such a bad storm we're getting right now, and I wanted to show you around what Philly looks like. So where we're at right now, this is FDR Park at the lakes, aka, but look, there's the lake right here. It's all frozen, and it's snowing outside right now. Bad. And there's the water over here, trees, and that's the bridge right there we crossed over. Look at that. It's snowing down. There it is. And now we're in the secret garden right here, because that's where the old golf course is at the lakes. And right up here is welcome to the South Philly Meadows. But yeah, sorry, it's so chilly out here right now, and I can't really talk right. I'm just gonna walk right up here. And this is what the golf course looks like as snow. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, I have my boots on. I got a lot of layers on right there, Caps. Oh, wow. Look, it says welcome to Picnic Grove. So we got, like, there's a little flag over here. That's part of the golf course. Zoom in on that. You can see some snow. I'm sure you can see some snowflakes coming down. Over here has more of the land over here. Well. And this right here is the beginning of the park right here. This is right here but not my mom, but I don't know whose mom. Yeah. This is called the Secret Garden, though. And we got over here, I think that's the signs of how the golf course board is. I think this is a scoreboard, I would think. See that?
Alright, let me see how it looks like now so far. Look, this is what my room looks like in the back of the house. And there it is right here. You can't even see the skyline from here. It's all blocked with clouds over here. Yep. All the snow and the highway right here. There's literally barely any cars on it. There's a little bit, but not much. Because you know how bad it's snowing out here. It's the blizzard of 2022. And there's people sledding out here. Look, you can see from here. Yep, I just went sledding at the lakes. Look, there's even more people out there. They're sledding on the other side now. Yeah, that's where people in Philadelphia go sleigh on this hill right here when it's snowing. Well, Caps, looks like I just got back from my dad's house, and I'm back here now, and I went sledding, and it was so snowing. It's actually still pretty much snowing outside, and I think it's not going to stop till like maybe tomorrow morning, or maybe earlier than that. From what I hear, maybe like 2 o'clock today it might stop, but then people can go have fun and just sleigh down there. And I just wanted to tell you that what it would look like if my mom and dad were sleighing together. I hope you get that joke, guys. Laying down, but except it's my mom and dad. That was, well, anyways, that is pretty funny. But anyways, well, I don't know what we're gonna do now. I think that's pretty much gonna conclude for now. But maybe when I get back home tomorrow morning, or I mean tomorrow, sometime tomorrow, I'm gonna go back home. But because I have school Monday, so I'll check you guys whenever that. Well, Caps, just got home from work today and had a great day, and it's already been past the weekend, and this blizzard weekend has come and gone. So anyways, I'm gonna sign off here. So hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you're new to MIKEY Productions. If you want to see some information, if you like what I do, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and you can find me on Snapchat and MikeyCap. Alright guys, MIKEY Productions signing out. Until then, thanks for watching. Peace.